Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to transcribe speech-to-text with 3 lines of Python. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and download Python and then go to the developer console and grab your access key. Then you're just going to want to download some sort of speech file, the one that you're going to want to transcribe the speech text. Then you're going to want to open VS Code. I've just named myscript.py. And the first thing you're going to want to do is import PV Leopard, which is what we're going to be using today. So you're just going to want to run pip3 install PV. All right, you're going to see that I already have it downloaded. Now for our code. The first thing you're going to want to do is import PV Leopard, define your access key, and create an instance. Then, in order to transcribe your audio file, you're going to want to create a path to that audio file that you've downloaded. And finally, transcribe the words. I'm just going to print it out and let's run it. And there you have it. Thank you for watching and visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.